Hi, sexies. Welcome to my channel. And just wanted to let you know that I am back feeling vibrant, feeling good, and feeling much better. I just wanted to come on and let you know that I did do a complete video of this look. And for some reason, my volume on my iPhone is not cooperating. So I just wanted to come on here with Webcam Chronicles and let you know that there is a video coming up soon. I'm doing a few edits and a few tweaks on it, and you'll see this finished look. I know it doesn't look like much right now on this webcam, but just stay tuned and wait for me to complete editing. I have to do a few tweaking on it since I'm talking and you can't hear anything that I'm saying. So I'll probably do a voiceover for that video and start fresh with a new video doing a complete voiceover since I'm having issues with my volume. And once I get that fixed, we will be back in business. So I'm back. Follow, like, Color Me Sexy by Elle. Thank you, and I hope you subscribe.